Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to post GIFs on Reddit. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Reddit, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Posting GIFs on Reddit is a straightforward and easy process. But before posting, you need to have a GIF ready. And of course, you can find GIFs on websites like Giphy, Imgur, or create your own using tools like Giphy Capture, IMGIFlip, or other GIF creation apps. Remember that GIFs are eye-catching and can quickly grab the attention of users scrolling through their feeds. And of course, it can lead to a higher engagement with your post. Now, I'm gonna go to the website called Giphy. And again, remember that there are other websites like Imgur that you can go to if you wanted to have a different GIFs. Now here, all you're gonna do is click on the any GIFs that you wanted. Maybe I miss your bed, air hug, I don't know, good night. You see, there's an option to embed a link. When you click on it, all right, that's going to be embedding a link, but you might want to just save the image as, all right? Or you can simply click on this one and copy image, all right? And then switch over to your Reddit. After that, all you're going to do is right click and click on paste. You see, the GIFs has already been added to your Reddit post. And of course, just select the community that you wanted to post this one and click on post. All right. Now, this is also available when you do this on the mobile device, but make sure that you can successfully post GIFs on Reddit and share them with the community according to the subreddit rules and user engagement practices. Now, you can simply engage with other users by responding to comments or interacting with your discussions related to your GIFs. This can help increase engagement and visibility of your post because once you have loaded the GIF and added the necessary details, just click on the post button to publish your GIF to the selected subreddit. Of course, if you have a direct link to the GIF, for example, from Imgur or Giphy, paste the link in the appropriate field. All right. It's a very easy and straightforward process thing to do. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.